Those guys didn't flinch at all, did they, either?
That was freaking insane. I did.
Whoa!
I told you it was going to blow. Damn. Those guys didn't flinch at all, did they, either?
That was freaking insane. I did.
They're pieces. Yeah. Holy shit, the whole back of the car went.
It blew the whole back of the car. One of them got hurt.
What?
One of those guys got hurt.
One of those, it's going to go again.
I've never seen a car do that.
Dude, look at the top of the car. I mean, that's the back end.
It blew it straight over.
Did anybody see that?
Yeah.
Did you guys see it happen?
Yeah. Oh, not the wreck, no.
No.
I was coming this way. I was like, I saw smoke and I'm like, I thought a diesel truck or something.
I thought the hatch, yeah, one of them got hurt.
Were you a driver of anything? Oh. I was like, I think the driver's over there.
No, actually,
that's how the other car.
The black car, the driver was over this side of the Mercedes.
Oh, wow.
You were right up there with it, weren't you? Because I thought you were involved in it.
That explosion was insane.
I was going straight, the guy next to me.
I wonder what the hell it was. It looks like this guy would. He rear-ended it.
All I know is the guy next to me was trying to turn, and then it happened. I couldn't see it. And this guy was swerving right in front of me, and I was.
I need to get this to Pete.
Do you think the whole guy was out of control? Or just doing this?
Whoa!
I told you it was going to blow.